Let us discuss the topic normal form, that is PDNF, principal disjunctive normal form. So let us see the definition. A proportional function is said to be in PDNF if it is in DNF, that is the first condition, within DNF, and each product term should contain all the literals. Each product term should contain all the literals. Okay, so this is the basically definition. Okay, then here, what is this literal? So literal means a variable either in its normal form or or with a negation form is called literal. That means if we take a proportion p, so with respect to proportion p, what do you mean by literal? There are two: p without negation, p with negation. So these two are called literals of p. Okay. Then if you see the product terms for the p comma qs, there are two proportions, for example. Then these are all possible product terms we know. Okay. But anyhow, in the PDNF, if you observe carefully as per the definition, it must be in DNF. Basically, DNF is a sum of elementary products. That means elementary products are separated with R. Okay. And each product term should contain all the letters, which means here these product terms are not allowed in the PDNF. In the DNF, these are allowed. But whereas these product terms are not allowed in the PDNF. Each product term should contain all literals. Suppose in the given expression P and Q are there, then each product term should contain a literal for the P, literal for the Q. Suppose in the given expression, let's say there are three prepositions P, Q, R. Then each product term should contain literal for the P, literal for the Q, literal for the R. Okay, so that is the meaning of PDNF. Okay, now let us take an example. Let's say I want to convert P implies Q in PDNF, principal disjunctive normal form. Okay, so how we convert? Of course, we know that P implies Q is logically equivalent to negation of P or Q. First step. But if you observe carefully, this negation of P or Q is in disjunctive normal form. Am I right? Why it is in disjunctive normal form? Or basically, what is disjunctive normal form? Elementary products must be separated with R. So this is one elementary product. This is one elementary product. They are separating with R. So it is in DNF, but it is not in PDNF. Why? In PDNF, each elementary product should contain all the literals. That means we already told you these are not allowed. These are not allowed. Only these four are allowed if there are two prepositions. Okay. So therefore, what should I do? So I should get the equivalent expression, and each elementary product should contain all the literals. So further, there is a technique. So what should I do is, suppose in a product term, if the literal X is missed, I am giving a general formula. In a product term, if the literal X is missed, then you AND with XOR negation of X. You AND with XOR negation of X. So observe carefully. Now here in the negation P, the literal Q is missed. Therefore, what I did here, AND with QR negation of Q. Observe carefully. Here, when I AND with QR negation of Q, what happens? The value will not change. Because, why? QR negation of Q is an example of dash. What? QR negation of Q is an example of tautology, right? So, true. Tautology means always true. So, true and something is always equal to something. So, please refer the logical equivalence formulas. We discussed 21 logical equivalences in the earlier videos. So, in that last four formulas they are related to this. Okay, true and something is equal to that something. So, therefore, here my point here is when I end with QR negation of Q to negation of P, the value of negation P is not changing. Still this value is negation of P only. Okay. Similarly, for the second term, Q, in that literal P is missed, right? So therefore, what I did, end with PR negation of P. That means still the value of Q is not changing. Still that expression value is still Q only. Okay, fine. Now after this, observe the next step. So what I did, I just applied De Morgan's law. Okay, so when I apply De Morgan's law, this AND will go inside and this R will come out. So therefore, negation of P and Q, or negation of P and negation of Q. Okay. Now this R I have taken as it is here. Now this is again De Morgan's law. It is Q and P. Okay, Q and P. Since I am writing Q and P, I have taken P and Q. Why? Because P and Q and P, they are one and the same as per law of commutative. So therefore, it is Q and P. But anyhow, since to write in a sorting order, I have taken first P, then Q. So P and Q, and this R will come out. So that is R. Then this is Q and negation of P. So instead of writing Q and a negation of P, I have taken negation of P and Q. But because we know the formula P and Q is logically equivalent to Q and P. Law of commutative, right? Nice. Now if you observe carefully once again, this term negation of P and Q, and this is also negation of P and Q. So it is as good as PRP. So what is PRP? PRP is logically equivalent to P. So therefore, instead of taking two times, I can take only once. So therefore, negation of P and Q. Of course, second term is as it is, negation of P and negation of Q. And third term is P and Q. Okay, and this can be ignored because PRP is equivalent to P. Fine. Now the PDNF, of course, up to this we can stop here and then say this is the equivalent PDNF. Why? Because why it is in PDNF? See, these are product terms. Product terms are separated with R. Not only that, each product term is containing all the literals. That is important. See, in this product term, both the literals are there. P literal is there, Q literal is there. Here also P literal is there, Q literal is there. Here also P literal is there, Q literal is there. So that is the important. So a principal disjunctive normal form is basically a disjunctive normal form. And disjunctive normal form is basically the sum of elementary products. Okay. But what is the difference? In PDNF, this product term should contain all the literals. That is an important point. Okay. So now, after this, we can give some numbers to it. Okay. So let me explain it quickly how we give numbers. So since it is sum of elementary products, we write sigma. Some normal in the mathematics we use sigma. Then why these numbers are written? Observe carefully. If the literal is in the negation form, we take as 0. And if the literal is without negation, we take as 1. Okay, so here P literal is with the negation, therefore we take this as a 0. And Q is without negation, therefore we take as 1. Similarly, here negation of P means what? It is with negation, therefore this is 0. And Q also with the negation, therefore this is also 0. Okay, now here P without negation, therefore take 1. And Q also without negation, take 1. So if the literal is without negation, then it is 1. If the literal is with negation, that is 0. Okay, now you take the equivalent binary values. So 0, 1 equivalent value is 1. So I have taken 1 here. Okay, 0, 0 equivalent value is 0. Okay, then 1, 1 binary number equivalent value is 3. So therefore I have taken 3. So finally, we write the for the PDNF, we write the sigma values also. So this is how we convert a given proportional function into equivalent PDNF form. So step one is you convert into DNF. Okay, in the DNF you see whether each product term is containing all the literals or not. Suppose if the literal X is missed, then you end with XR negation of X. Then you apply distributive and simplify it. Okay, so this is how we convert given proportion function into PDNF.